Hi, this video explains how to use the Nicepage application for Joomla. As a reminder, the Nicepage application works on Windows, Mac OS, and online. And today you will learn how to connect the application and Joomla Extension, which means exporting and installing the Nicepage Template, extension, and articles on your Joomla site. You can download Joomla 5 from joomla.org and install it on your hosting or use hosting with the installed Joomla CMS. What is Joomla? Joomla is a popular CMS content management system that uses a template as its design part and articles as its content part. You can edit articles via the administrator panel. A template usually includes a header, footer, general colors, fonts, typography, blog style, store style, etc. With Nicepage, you can create your own Joomla template. Joomla's built-in article editor limits website creators in design. Nicepage is a powerful design software that makes Joomla articles look modern and creative. The Nicepage editor is a Joomla extension that allows you to create and edit articles easily and directly in Joomla naturally with drag and drop. However, you cannot edit articles created with the default Joomla editor with Nicepage. Only those made with the extension can be edited. There are two ways to create and edit articles and templates with Nicepage: Desktop Application and Extension, which allows you to edit templates directly in Joomla. To start with, the application is simpler, and you can have backups as projects. You can also use the project for other export options, such as WordPress or HTML, or publish it to Nicepage hosting. To use the site created in the Nicepage application, you should export it as a zip package and then import it to Joomla. You can download and install the Nicepage application from nicepage.com. Open the Nicepage download page in your browser and download the application for your computer. After, click the downloaded file in the dialog box to install the application. Run the Nicepage application. Log in or register a new account. Then design a new site or open an existing one. When you finish your site, export it as a zip package for your Joomla. To start the export, click the Publish button at the top right. Select the Joomla tab. Enter the file name and path. For the version, select the 4 and 5 option. Verify the options to export the template, articles, and editor extension. Usually, those are selected by default in the Publish dialog. Additionally, you can export the e-commerce templates for Virtumart. Click Export to start exporting the zip package. When the export is finished, the folder with the zip package is opened automatically. Open the administrator of your Joomla site, which is installed on hosting or locally on a PC. Usually it is your site name /administrator. Click the System option in the menu, then Extensions in the Install section. Drag and drop or browse for an installation zip on the installation page. Installation runs automatically, and you should see the success message. Otherwise, check the system settings. Set the installed Nicepage template as default. Install the extension imported with the package by clicking the Install Plugins button in the dialog. Further, you can select options for the content and then import it. If you have imported content before and want articles replaced, click the Replace Previously Imported Content button. Otherwise, you will have duplicated content, which is unnecessary. Click the Import Content button. Click the Visit Site in the dialog or the My Website button to test the installation. After installing content, you can edit it directly on your Joomla site with the Editor extension. Return to the Administrator panel, expand the Content section, and click the Articles link. On the Articles page, click the Home link to open the Home Article Details page. Click the Edit with Nicepage button to run the editor. You can edit articles and the site style naturally, similar to how you do in the application or online builder. Please do not forget to save the changes. That is all we wanted to cover in this video about installing a template, extension, and content for your hosted Joomla site. We hope you like it. If so, click like and subscribe to our channel for video updates. Thank you for watching.